Sorry I couldn't find anything useful.
Well, cheers for trying. It was a bit of a long shot, to be fair. Or maybe we should just call it a day. That's Debbie's.
Well, it's still got a phone and a purse inside.
There is something really weird going on here. I mean, where the hell has she gone to? What?
Nothing.
What?
Well, the handles broke off the fridge.
Eh? No, I can't get in.
You don't think she's in there, do you?
No. Look. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Right, you need to go and get help, and I'll try and find something to wedge the door open. Go now! Just, it's gonna be okay, just... hang in! It's gonna be all right.
Wake up, Deb. Please. I'm sorry, Jack. I'm sorry.